everyone, today I'm going to be reviewing this Lincoln Premier 1957. I'm shitting myself. This is my friend's pride and joy. I'm a very lucky man to be given this opportunity, so let's hope I have no accidents. Let's crack on. Look at this pillarless window, look, all the way. So arm out and have a little cruise. This is not a car to drive fast in, this is a cruising car, as I now demonstrate. Oh, it's just, ooh. The steering wheel's like 18 inches round, it's massive. It's like sitting in an armchair. It is genuinely like sitting in an armchair. The seat is a proper bench seat, you know, so you can cuddle up to your girlfriend, boyfriend, them, they, gender fluid neutral, gender neutral, proper American horn. Brakes, power assisted, which is good, but drum setup, so better than I think some of the cars I've driven, but still not comfortable. And I think what makes it worse is because this is my friend's absolute pride and joy, makes me worry a little bit more. You know, I wouldn't fancy having to pay out for a repair on this car. I imagine it cost a lot. Steering, wow, it is so light. It's amazingly light. Absolutely no effort to turn a corner at all. It just, you know, round you go. No effort. Do have to say, it's an amazing thing to be able to look all the way around the car with very little effort. You know, it's just feels so open. I'm doing 25 mile an hour, country road, got a car behind me, who I'm sure is going to be getting pretty wound up because I'm not going fast enough for him in a minute. But, you know, it's a cruising car, just nice and gentle. And that 6.2 V8 up front, so quiet, so quiet. I mean, it was a luxury car of its day. I don't think they got it right. I love the pillarless windows. I've never driven a car with pillarless windows. To be fair, I've never even driven a convertible, although I'm going off topic there. But, you know, even for a car from the 50s, there is just so much. Electric windows, power assisted brakes, power assisted steering, even the aerial is electric. Watch this. Isn't that brilliant? That's brilliant. I think it's great. Do you know, considering it's a 50s car, which I've already mentioned, it even has a sensor that you find on new cars for the high beam. So when it detects a car coming the other way with lights, it dips the high beam for you and then switches it back on. Hey, technology's been there for a long time. Anyway, I better take it back. Otherwise he'd be thinking I'd run off with his car, wouldn't he? Would I buy one? Or would I have this? Yes. Yes, I definitely would. And I'm sure over time, like everything, I'd get used to driving it. You know, it's like anything, isn't it? I've got used. My first car was a Mini that didn't have power assisted brakes. It had drums. And it's something you'd get used to. Not that I'd want to drive it every day, but it's just the fact that you could drive it every day if you wanted to. Big thanks to Simon, who lets me drive his vehicles. I think that is an absolutely amazing thing to have a friend like that just lets me drive his vehicles. So this is just one of 3 reviews that I'm doing today. This is the first one, now done, didn't crash it. We'll move on to the next one. If you're enjoying these videos, as usual, please make sure you like, subscribe and share away, please. I'd love to grow this channel. Catch you in the next one.